Welcome to our channel. Trust wallet loading issues can prevent you from accessing your cryptocurrency assets, but these solutions will restore functionality. Step 1. Ensure your Trust Wallet app is updated to the latest version by checking the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. Step 2. Force close the Trust Wallet app completely and clear it from your recent apps, then reopen it. Step 3. Check your internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if connectivity is the issue. Step 4. Verify you're using the official Trust Wallet app by checking the publisher is Trust Wallet in the App Store. Step 5. Clear the app cache on Android devices through settings or delete and reinstall the app on iPhone, ensuring you have your recovery phrase first. Step 6. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated systems can cause compatibility problems. Step 7. Try changing the network RPC endpoint in Trust Wallet settings if specific blockchain networks aren't loading. Step 8. If your balance isn't showing, manually add the token contract address for custom tokens, or wait for the app to sync with the blockchain. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.